Welcome to Maban tribe language, and I'm here to share with you a little bit, about Maban tribe in Sudan or South Sudan, and I want to read, about bird names that are associated with like Maban tribe names, Maban language. Maybe you didn't hear about Maban tribe in Sudan or South Sudan because it was an oral and they don't like to to talk about, they don't commit it, they don't want to share with the world, with the people, you know because life is a sharing, is a community, is a communication and understanding. Life is working together for success, and if we stand together and we are honest to each other, life is peaceful. We appreciate each other a lot. But when life goes different directions, and so it will brought disputes. It will bring dispute to us and quarrel, a lot of rebellions. So life is great. Life is equality. Life is sustainability. Yeah, let's start back again. But Maban birds. So Maban birds names. Jaya. Jaya or Jaya in Maban means to talk, to speak, to sit down with your friends, with your buddies, on the branches, on the twigs, and talk and have conversations about life, about things. So talk about weathers, things that are matters to us or to them, to birds. Jan. In Maban, jig mean words, and it's connected to the character of parrot. Jaya mean parrot, and it came out from the words because they like to talk, they like to hang out and chill. So Jolly means word, and jig mean words. So to be a story teller, to have oral communication, and these come through observation in Maban, in life, because we like to observe things. So it's not just only Maban or Black. Every people, every human beings, they like to communicate. They like to watch, to observe things like Native Americans or like Native people here in the US. So because they live, or they're living, close to the environment and things, so they're attractive, or they're curious about knowledge, about things, about objects that they see. So that become a language. So the same as Maban. So yeah, jig mean I'm telling a story. Yabal jig, yabal me jig, or jig connected to Maban, ibal go jig, met jig, mi met kiti jig bala, a jig wak, jig ban kone, jig chud, or jig me nye, or jig a ware, jig, min igog jig, lug met jig, a connect ne, jaya, jig, a mene jig, dina jig. Tilu, tilu, tilu in Maban, it combines three things. Sound that it makes soft feathers, and lu is a blue feathers in Maban. So you have sound, soft feathers, and blue hair or blue feathers.